One of the concerns I have, that I really have, is immigration. Legal immigration is great. Bring all the people in that they want to come in, as long as they do it legally. And I would ask the federal government to make it easier, but legal, for these people to come in. Not 20 years to get in here, but make it easier, but still have requirements to come in, and make it a lot easier, and make it so that they can come in legally with dignity, that they don't have to hang their head and hide. And that's the thing. There was an article that appeared in the Arizona paper just yesterday, and it was also in the Tribune today, about illegal immigrants moving to Utah. They surveyed the Hispanic community. And in the survey, they said that I think it was about 20% of those that surveyed said that they're moving out of Arizona and going to move to places like Oregon and Utah, specifically Ogden, Utah. Hey, guess what? That's my community, Ogden, Utah. So if 20% out of 400,000 people are going to move up this way, I have a real concern, especially in my community. Utah has always been a magnet for illegal immigration. And with this happening in other states, closing down those benefits for the illegal aliens, the magnet for Utah is getting stronger and stronger and stronger, and going to be harder to break away. And so we need to do something about that right now. One of the ones that I'm using is going after is the driver's privilege card. A couple of years ago, we did away with the driver's license and issued a driver's privilege card. That was a mistake. They did it for the sake of insurance. Well, insurance is not the issue. You can get insurance without a driver's license. You have to pay for it, a little bit more, but you can get insurance without a driver's license. So that's not the issue. What happens here is IRS uses an ITIN number to collect taxes. Now, to get an ITIN number, all you have to have is very little. Just prove that you can't legally get a Social Security card. And you can even apply by mail. So if you apply by mail, where's the background check? There's nothing background check. Now, Driver's Division has taken the ITIN numbers and it's not supposed to be used for identification, but they've given the ITIN numbers so that they can use identification to get the driver's privilege card. So here's the concern. We have driver's privilege cards based on the ITIN number with no underlying documentation, a real national security. And that is why I'm running this bill. It's a national security. It's not about insurance. They're driving out there anyway. It's estimated there's 100 to 120,000 illegal adults in the state of Utah. If that's the case, there are only 41,000 driver's privilege cards. Where are the other 60,000? I'm sure they're not driving UTA. I'm sure they're driving, and if they're driving, they don't have any insurance. And so when we say that's an insurance problem, I don't think so. It's a small factor in it, but it's not the major factor. And so that's why I'm sponsoring and supporting the driver's privilege card, revoking it.